it's Layle by Mail, and I am back to share with you a close-up look at the July-August Traveler's Notebook Kit. So we'll take a look at the kit first, and then I'll show you what I did with it. So the kit includes one of the Carpe Diem inserts, and this typically each month we are slip covering this so that you are adding a new insert every other month and then swapping out old inserts as you kind of fill them up. So an insert. We're doing a fun little technique this month with a pocket page, which I know sounds kind of a little odd that you'd use a pocket page in a traveler's notebook, but bear with me, we'll get there. Also a sheet of 4x6 stickers. Then we have two different collections. The Good Vibes collection. The Good Vibes collection is just a really great, all around, just happy collection. Lots of great icons and colors, lots of fun geometric patterns. So we see the 12x12 combo sticker, lots of stickers on that, and then 3 sheets of 12x12 paper. So I've used this side, but as you guys know, with the Traveler's Notebook kits, the papers are double-sided, so you could use either side. One paper there, and then actually on this one used a combination. I've used one of the little 4x4 cards, but then primarily used this really cool, I think it reminds me of macaroons, but really great, again, those really bright, vibrant colors just to bring a lot of happiness into your Traveler's Notebook for the month. And then the 3x4 cards. And with that, you have the 12 3x4 cards on that sheet, as well as the polka on the back side. All right, so that is one month, Good Vibes. The other month is using the Bloom collection, and the Bloom collection equally as pretty, but totally different. Although it does share flowers, like we saw a little bit in Good Vibes, this one is really all about the flowers. And between the coral and the mint and the pops of black, it's just such a gorgeous collection. And what I really like about both the collections that I've used for this kit is that they're super versatile. There's nothing in them there's nothing in them that screams a particular holiday or a particular theme. So here you have the 12 3x4 cards. On the back side, a nice black and cream colored stripes. This, you really get a feel for the colors in the collection here with the mint and then the bright coral. On the back side, you have some fun words on a black background. And then we have this pattern. This pattern is really fun just because you don't need to do a lot of decorating when you're using this to slip cover one of your TNs, as I've done. So we'll take a look at that, and that really soft floral print on the back side. In addition to those items, we are using some washi again. So I have wrapped around a popsicle stick for you 2 different patterns of washi, but this one, that Aztec, coordinates with the Good Vibes. And this, isn't that beautiful? That one coordinates with the Bloom. And then we'll be doing another technique with paper clips and really kind of stretchy ribbon. All right, so that is the kit, and I'll show you really quickly what I did, how I decorated using the kit. This is the one of my spreads. I've already moved into this for July, so you can kind of see a bunch of my stuff in the back, but decorated pockets, decorated inserts, and then there is another decorated insert. There's our fun kind of paper clip that we're gonna make. All right, so that is what I used for July. And then for August, I've moved over into that Bloom collection, which is again so pretty. It's just so beautiful. Again, another one of the paper clips with the stretchy ribbon. Doesn't that go so well, that mint? I was so excited to find that with the pops of gold. And then another technique that we are going to do. This is what we're doing with the pocket page. So we'll be creating kind of sticker holder to go in with your Traveler's Notebooks. So there you have it. That is the July and August Traveler's Notebook Kit. In the bottom of the video here, you will find a link to the kit on the blog. So if you have any questions, either leave them here in the comment section or hop on over to the blog and check that out. The July and August Traveler's Notebook Kit is shipping now. So go ahead and place your order today. Thanks. Bye-bye.
Hope when you take that jump, you don't feel the fall. Hope when the water